What's up, internet users on the internet? And I know you've been using your internet because you're watching my videos. What will be our content for today, Mr. Soy? By the way, it's your boy Soy here, and I'm here to make another content, and it's going to be called Lapag. The stereotypes of Filipino. By the way, let's change the sound effects because Filipinos despise this sound effect. Let's change it to Aman Namin Remix. Yes, Lord. A Filipino meme with almost all of the stereotypes in it. Well, I'm not gonna make all of the memes. I've done my research and I've stumbled different memes, and we're gonna start with the first one. Filipino sound effects. Now how can you get that? Well, it's easy. You're gonna search YouTube because that's what Filipinos do, and they're gonna search different sound effects like ginagawa mo. And we're not gonna download it using YouTube, because how are you going to do that? We're gonna do it by sharing it, copy link, and look for your nearest MP4 downloader. We're not gonna pay the owner. We're not gonna give credits because that's what Filipinos do. We don't give credits. Crediting is I don't know what's crediting. CTTO to the owner. That's what Filipinos do. They download it to illegal websites. Don't care if it's a malware or virus in it. As long as I could download my own music. Not give support to local. Actually, I'm kidding. I like Eraserheads. And if you want to support my band, that's pretty great. My band's name is Band Paper. Alright, so now we have downloaded the MP3 version of Ginagawa Mo sound effects. Next thing we do is 100%, 110% cringe. Well, this content is cringe already. That makes this YouTube channel suck. Next thing is overrated saturated effect. We'll have that later. Next is Buttercup meme, and I have the Buttercup. I think it's right here. I downloaded it for free. That's what Filipinos do. We download music for free. Illegal. And number one is the name that should not be named. I don't know what I'm talking about, but it's the one that should not be named. The thing that will destroy this channel forever. And there's a chance that I will not make a comeback after this. Because I'm not even Filipino or Dolan Dart. Jeez, Dolan Dart does not make Filipino memes. What are you talking about? Well, Dolan Dart make memes, so that makes sense. You're not making sense. Anyways, let's download the Robert B. Wyatt meme. Alright, I'm gonna try to be as cringy as possible, but I can't because I'm a normal human being. Obviously, they don't want the original Robert B. Wyatt meme because they don't like to get copyrighted strike. They want the trap remix because it makes sense and it makes it more cringy and more out of context. So I'm not downloading it using Facebook. I don't want to get Zuck. Let's download it illegally. Copy link. Alright, so just minutes of waiting for it to download. I finally downloaded it. I just said that. Now, let's find the most cringiest meme. So the results came out, and I wasn't happy of scrolling down and watching all those videos because there's no cringy meme until I went to my Facebook account. It's the Kamias challenge I did years ago. Let's watch the whole vid first for you to understand what happened. Alright, so I was eating Kamias here and I couldn't handle the taste of it, as you can see it in my face. It's the most cringy. How do you download a Facebook video downloader? Of course, you only need to download an FB video downloader that you can find in the nearest app downloader that you can find. You can find it on Aptoid. You can download it on Aptoid or in Play Store. You can't download stuff on Play Store anymore because it asks you to free up some space even though you have like 69 gig. 69. I've already downloaded the videos and the effects that we need to make the cringe meme. Here you go. By the way, before I start doing the effects and editing a video for you guys, by the way, the video, the full edited and the final product of the video will be shown and will be played at the end of the video. So stay right, just stay there and watch my video, and I will show you how to edit the progress mystics of editing and the mastery of editing of the cringiest meme. Before I start doing an editing video, I hope you like the video already, because if you don't like, if you haven't pressed the like button, I swear I'm going to stab you with my flat screwdriver. I will not hesitate. Joke, I love you. And don't forget to subscribe, because if you haven't subscribed yet, I will spray a hand sanitizer to your eyes. I don't use it, but at least your eyes will get 100% clean and sanitized. How cool is that? Also, don't forget the bell button, because it's very important, you know, for you to get notifications of my soon and upcoming videos, cringy videos, and me mocking the cringy community. Here I am mocking all those bullshittery that I did. We're getting there, we're getting there. To make your video, to make your editing more cringier, you need to repeat it 100 times, more than how you repeatedly courted your crush, which never really accepted you, who never really accepted you.
Give me love like
Then after that, we're gonna add the ultimate, the Robert B. And it's not complete because I haven't put 100% of what I downloaded here, so it is not complete without adding the newbie and the whammy sound effect. %100 ready to be made. Cheap one, cheap meme for those who lack humor. And of course, it's not 100% yet. I'm sorry, it wouldn't be 100%. It cannot be 100% without the oversaturated effect. And let's try to zoom the face because it looks awkward. Right, so I just finished making the cringy video. Here it is. I'm going to show you the video.
Ginagawa mo.
Sa usapan ba no? Kasal.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my new content. If you liked, if you want to support my channel, thank you so much. Leave a like and never forget to subscribe, because if you haven't subscribed yet, I swear when you go to sleep I will disguise and transform myself into a bug and I will crawl into your ears when you sleep. So never forget to subscribe, and also the bell button, because you will need the bell button for the notifications. If you like my content, thank you so much. Another left thumbs up for me, and also another right thumbs up. Right, so that's 2 thumbs up, 3 thumbs up already. I think you do the math. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ah! internet